The Advertising Board of Nefty's News Media Broadcasting Company presents McDonald's new McPizza on the menu. This message was sponsored by McDonald's Corporation of the United States of America. This is the end of this advertisement. The North American Aerospace Defense Command and Washington State Emergency Board have issued a warning for the state of Washington. NORAD has detected 5 to 10 North Korean ICBM launches towards the following locations: Seattle, Spokane, Everett, Olympia, and Fort Lewis. Please follow one of the 1960s civil defense nuclear evacuation routes on the state-issued map for your area. Bring the following supplies: a dosimeter batteries, first aid kit, a small firearm, food, water, blankets, and spare clothing. Follow any available route to get to Portland, Oregon, or to get to Boise, Idaho. This is the end of the broadcast. The time until nuclear strike detonation is approximately 2 hours, 17 minutes, and 27 seconds. When you arrive at your destination, the United States government requests you to look to the stars, back down in the grass. NASA, NORAD, and the EAS government thank you for your cooperation in this event. The United States Federal Communications Commission has proven last broadcast to be incorrect, and hijacking from outside the United States as a way to cause panic. Return home. All is safe. The FCC, U.S. government, and NORAD apologize for any inconvenience this may have caused.